Welcome to Mini English World.
High above the quiet world, in a sky full of stars, lived a tiny star named Lumo. All the other stars shined brightly, but Lumo stayed dim.
He had a secret. He was afraid to shine.
What if I'm too bright? What if I'm not bright enough?
One night, the moon noticed him.
Why do you hide, little star?
I don't know how to shine. What if I do it wrong?
There is no wrong way to shine.
Far below, a little boy couldn't sleep.
I wish I had a star just for me.
Lumo heard him and looked down.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Maybe just a tiny glow.
And he tried, just a little.
A star. He saw me! Good night, little star.
Lumo felt something new. Happiness.
The next night, Lumo didn't hide.
The other stars began to notice him.
Look at Lumo! You're shining!
Am I doing it right?
You're shining your way, and that's perfect.
And Lumo kept shining, brighter each night. Every night, he shined for the little boy.
Not the brightest, but the kindest light. And just right. So tonight, if you look up, you might see a soft little star.
That's Lumo, shining just for you.
Good night. Sleep well, little star.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Mini English World.
Let's learn, play, and have fun together.
Like and subscribe to our channel.